Hi, this is Stephen Bonnie with BCX Bootcamp, and we wanted to go over a few exercises to target area of our body that we're always trying to improve, and that's our gluteals. All right, so 4 exercises, 20 repetitions each, and I want to go through these slow. It's a time under tension principle. The longer you stay down and up, the slower you go. A lot of times we can work those fibers and tone our glutes even better. So 4 exercises. The first one is a squat, 20 repetitions of a squat. I don't want you waving your arms. I want you to hold them straight out or in prisoner squat fashion. So down you go, weight up your heels. Fantastic. Notice her knee is not going in front of your toe. 20 repetitions.
5, 6.
Good. Load up those
7,
glutes, Bonnie. That's great.
8, 9.
Now I want you guys to slow
10,
down. Slow down.
11,
Enjoy it.
12.
Fantastic.
13.
Can you feel it in your bottom?
14. Yeah, already.
But your quads too,
15.
right?
Yep.
So as we go on, we're going to fatigue the quads, but remember,
17,
we're focusing on the gluteals.
18. 19. 20.
Keep this straight angle. I want the right leg forward, lunges, hands on your hips. Remember, our weight is on this forward leg. Down you go, and up on this back toe. 1, 2. Hands on the hips.
3.
Good. Go forward.
4.
Load up
5.
that slow down.
6.
Load up that front leg.
7.
Good.
8.
It's this hip that she's
9,
working, guys. The front hip.
10. 11.
Beautiful.
12.
Tummy's in tight.
13.
Posture looks good.
14. 15.
Stay on that heel.
16.
Notice that her knee again
17.
is not going past her toe.
18.
Good.
19.
And
20.
Okay, now's when it starts to get rough. Here's where we use a little bit more advanced technique. Hand flat on the ground. This is called a stomp. Your bottom is going to stay down. Bring the other foot in.
1.
And your foot goes flat.
2.
Good.
3.
Now I want your butt to go down.
4.
Right there.
This is gonna suck.
That's it, man.
6. Sexy
Notice-
butt.
She's still on the
7.
right leg. That's why it's so
8.
fatiguing. She's still on the right leg.
9.
Now by now,
10.
your quad is still ready. Shake it out if you need to, but your quad is
12.
gonna burn. But I promise you,
13.
we're working that glute. Get the bottom down.
14.
That's it, Bonnie.
15.
Stay with her, guys.
16.
Good, all on the right leg.
17.
Good, keep that foot flat.
18.
Keep that foot flat.
19.
And
20.
good, have a seat. Now I wanna stay with the right leg. Cook hip lift, right away. Hands go down flat. Bring that heel into where you're touching it. See the way she can almost touch that heel? We're gonna use the right leg again. Pull your left leg into your chest. Now it's very important you keep this into your chest. Now here's what I want you to do. You're not gonna get very high because now with the left leg in, you can't extend your low back. 20 repetitions, bring it up into a bridge. 1, good.
2.
Good.
3.
Guys, if you're doing this proper and you're feeling it right now in this
5.
right hip, you're really isolating out just the gluteals.
7. 8.
Lift up tight.
9.
Now look at the way her knee is starting to get
10.
away from her. Pull that knee in.
11.
As you fatigue, that's gonna happen. It's perfectly natural, but
13.
just remember to pull it in.
14.
Slow it down.
15.
Good squeeze.
16.
You're doing great.
17.
Feeling it?
18. Yes. 19. And 20.
Good, sit on up. All right, we're gonna be doing 4 rounds of this, guys, 4 rounds. But you're due twice on one side, twice on the other. So you're gonna go right, left, right, left. By the time you're done, you're really feeling it. All right, this is Stephen Bonnie with BCX Bootcamp. Never, never, never give up.